This is what you do every day to live, right? I mean, you inhale and you exhale. That's how it works. You know, in the whole process, lungs is what is involved. Okay, it drives respiration. But have you ever wondered how much air do we inhale or how much air do we exhale? Have you ever wondered at what is the capacity of lungs? You'd be surprised to know that the amount of air an average human being's lungs breathes in every day is around 11,000 liters of air. And today I'm going to help you work around a simple experiment through which first I'm going to find out how much air does my lung breathe in at the first attempt or at one attempt, and that experiment can be used by you to actually find out what is the capacity of your lungs, right? So let's start. You know, right now we've got actually a jar out here that stores water, and the first thing we did here was actually take a measuring cylinder that has got a capacity of 250 ml, pour it every time one after the other, and then mark out these marks that actually measure what happens at each 250 ml. In fact, when I put the water in it in the first instance, I got 250 ml. Then when I put in another 250 ml of water, then I got the second. Then when I put in the third one, I got third, and subsequently now I'm here at this point. Now, if you want to see how it works, is that for the last one, I have a measuring cylinder here that has got 250 ml of water. This is actually measured already. You can see it from here, right? Exactly. Now, I'm going to actually pour this inside. You see, something like this. I pour this complete thing, and then I mark this thing out here, that this is the last 250 ml mark that's possible. Now what I'm going to do is pretty Herculean in itself. So I would advise you to actually seek the help of your guardians or your parents before even carrying out this activity. What I have next is a tub of water out here, and here I've taken 3 centimeters of water, which is marked on this side. Now what I'm going to do is that, I'm going to pick this thing up carefully, okay? Very carefully, hold this up, and then invert this thing in and put this inside. Are you seeing? It might dismantle a bit. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take one end of this pipe, and then I'm going to put it right inside it. Something like this. If I had taken a stronger jar, it would have been strong, but right now it's kind of dismantled. Now what I do is that through the other end, I try and blow heavily. But before that, I breathe in as much as I can, like this. Then I blow in. Did you see what happened out here? Exactly. Now what I'm going to do is that keep this whole setup like this and then calculate the numbers from this side. You can see how many marks or how many units have been emptied in this whole process. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and it's actually almost 13. So then I know that each unit out here measures 250 ml, right? So to calculate how many liters that my lungs capacity is, what I do is that I calculate 13 into 250 ml and then divide it by 1000. So I get 3.25 liters. Yes, my lungs capacity is 3.25 liters. What about yours? You should try and of course, have a good time doing this experiment.